Hey, I just wanted to do a kind of a quick overview of this little project I did. This is a little steam engine that I built out of scrap parts. So I should have recorded the whole process, but I was trying to get it done. Needed it done for this weekend as a giveaway. So some of the parts I did cut out on the CNC, like the cattle catch and the roof. And then like the back wheels. The front wheels are actually valve spring retainers off of a Ford big block motor. I've got some old plumbing pipe fixtures, or plumbing 3/4 inch plumbing pipe that I cut down, and I just soldered a cap on one side. This piece here is actually a part of a steering box from a 67 Mustang. This is a wheel lug that I just machined to, make it look like a part of the boiler. This is actually an old plasma tip that was used up. Just drilled a hole, added a brass screw. I got some old scrap rod here. These pieces to drive the wheels were cut on the CNC. This here is actually some welding rod, 1/8 inch welding rod that I had laying around. So you can see it matches pretty well. On the bottom, I actually added a number plate. So if you can see it, I made a little embossing tool with my logo. Added a date and stuff on there. But overall, I think it came out pretty cool. So next time I do something like this, almost forgot, the main part of the boiler, that's the exhaust pipe. It's just been laying around in the house for a while. So, but anyways, next time I get into a project like this, I'll try to record the whole process for anybody who's interested. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message, and I'll answer what I can. But I think overall it came out pretty cool. So thanks for watching.